This is the cable that will rule them all. It can charge your iPhone, it can charge your USB-C devices, and it can charge your micro USB devices. But wait, there's more. It can charge your USB-C laptops, and it can also be used to transfer data. What more can you ask for? So the product that I just showed you is the Statik Pro Blitzcharge 100 watts universal charge cable. Well, that's a mouthful, but the good thing about this is that even though it has a long name, it's very useful. So for the physical aspects of this cable, this is a 2-meter long cable. Here is the material that they used. Then on one end, you will see this tip. Now this tip is USB-C with a USB-A adapter. Then on the other end, you will see this magnetic tip, and this is again where the magic happens. So this magnetic tip here will connect to the other 3 magnetic tips that this particular cable has. So as you can see from here, this is the cable tie of this cable, but at the same time, this cable tie is where you can actually put or place those magnetic tips so that you will not lose them. So let me show you those tips. So here they are when they are placed in this cable tie, and let me get them one by one. So one of them, this one, we're gonna get this one first. This is the lightning tip for your lightning port devices. Then you have your USB-C tip here, and of course the other end of that is magnetic. And then lastly, you will have your micro USB tip, just in case you still have micro USB devices, magnetic on the other end as well. So if I go look at this cable, so this is the tip, so one end, so there you go, I connect one of the tip, and then let's try the other tip. So that's the micro USB, this is the USB-C, there you go, and then lastly this is the lightning tip. So all magnetic, as you can see. Now one of the good things about this cable is that you see this, there is this hinge, and what it allows it is for you to have a more secured connection for your devices. What do I mean by that? So let me just demonstrate to you. I'm gonna use one of my phones. So this is my Android phone. This is a Sony Xperia 1.4. It's a USB-C device, and I have the USB-C tip connected to that magnetic tip of the cable. I'm gonna place it here, and as you can see from here, it's just magnetic, right? Now of course, being magnetic, it's very prone to being disconnected, but because of how this cable tip end works, as you can see, it can rotate, but then at the same time it has this hinge, so that even if your cable keeps on moving like this, or it is moving like this, it's not gonna disconnect from your device. So that means you have a more secured connection for your devices. Now I have reviewed one of their other product, this one, and here is the link to that. And one of the complaints that I have is that the magnet is not as strong, and it can easily get disconnected to this tip. Now with this one, you have a stronger magnet, and then at the same time you have this mechanism which just results to an even more secured connection. So you don't have to worry that you have a device that's actually not charging. Pretty smart if you ask me. I've been using this cable for this past few weeks, and all I can say is that I love using this cable. I can use it to charge my iPhone, my Android devices, and even my micro USB devices. Plus, because it's 100 watts USB-C to USB-C power delivery, I can use it to charge my laptop. Then, there's also the fact that I can use it to transfer files, because this is a fast data cable. Other thing that I love about it is that these tips, you can use them to protect the charging port of your different devices. I also love the fact that it has this cable tie where you can put those different tips. One of the problems, or one of the things that I said in this particular product, is that if you remove those tips from your phone or from your devices, you have no place to keep them, and there's a very big chance that you will lose them. But because it has this cable tie, you can just put those tips here, just like what I'm showing now, and it's now secured. There's a lower probability that you are going to lose that. And then I love the fact that this is now USB-A and USB-C capable. The other cable is just USB-A, but with this one, this is USB-C, so it is more future-proof. So in other words, this Statik Pro basically answered all of those concerns that I have when I reviewed this product, and because of that, I am really recommending this. Now, how much is it gonna cost you? This is $24.99. So if you have the budget for that, I really do believe that this is a value for money product. Alright, so we will end this video here. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And if you want more contents like this, please do subscribe to our channel. Let me know what you think of this cable in the comments section below. Again, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.